Oh, hey guys, today is going to be a inventory haul. Today is going to be an inventory haul. I am sitting on the floor because I am sitting right next to my inventory stash. Cue the inventory stash. Yes, so this is where I keep all my inventory at. All my stuff, all my beauty stuff, everything that deals with Nyla Symone Beauty Bar stays over there, and what you guys just saw. So I just wanted to give you guys an inventory update. I like watching these videos, and so you're intrigued because you clicked on this video, and since you already clicked on this video, make sure you subscribe. I'm on my way to 200 subscribers, and I would really hope if you subscribe and help me out to get to 200. Also make sure you like this video if you are interested into being your own business owner and you want to know some things and you just stumble across this video because you're looking up business videos. So if you're interested into being your own entrepreneur, then like this video. And yeah, comment what your business name is going to be. Comment your business. Spread the love. Spread the love. Yeah, spread the love. Okay, today we're gonna just go into all my stuff that I got ordered to my house. I ordered a lot of stuff. A lot of stuff comes to my house because I am just always on the internet searching for new things that I want to have, new things on my site, trying to make my brand bigger and better, and just trying to get closer and closer to that $1 million brand that I'm gonna have. So yes, I'm going to be showing you guys all of the products that I've just recently brought in the month of January. I might not show everything because I don't feel like reaching for everything. So I'm just going to show like just the main things that are very exciting and the main things that you're going to see on my website soon. So without further ado, hold on. Make sure y'all shop the Valentine's Day sale. The Valentine's Day sale is here. It ends, and I want to say it ends February 14th, but I might extend it. So you know, make sure you shop it before it goes away. The Valentine's Day sale here. We have 2 lip gloss deals, we have 2 lip scrub deals, we have a new bay bag, and we still have the pop out sale. So I'm just saying, shop. You know, you stumbled across this video, you want to be a business owner, I'm guessing, and so why don't you just support another business owner? So make sure you guys get them. My lip glosses are bomb. They are the best. My lip scrubs are the best. My lips are been smooth. They're always linked down below. Nyla Symone Beauty Bar on Instagram. It's on somewhere on the screen down here. It's always linked down below in the description. And if you spend over $50, you get free shipping. Without further ado, let's get into the video. So I'm going to start off with something that you guys have already seen already. It is our new lip gloss wands. I'm so happy about these. If you guys know me personally, then you know that I've been waiting on lip gloss wands. These are not the exact ones that I want, but those are on the way too. But I just got them and I love them. They are the best. They are just really cute for like light coating your lips with my hydrating moisturizing lip gloss. So make sure you guys go get you some wands. I love my wands, and that's something new on my website. All of my lip glosses can come in wands, so you just pick tubes or wands and they all come in them. So you know, it's whatever one you want. The next thing I got was a lip scrub casing. I don't know what I'm gonna call these, but I got 12 of these, so these are just for 6. I got them in black. If you guys don't know, my logo is black and blue, so I love it, and I just love how I can just put my logo on here and it's just gonna pop. Like the blue is just gonna, you know, whoosh pow, you know. I love it. So then to the next thing, I got me some more coconut oil. I got this from, it's the cold pressed unrefined coconut oil. I heard that unrefined coconut oil is better. I don't know, like there's this coconut oil that is better, and I didn't buy it yet, but I just got this big jar because why not? It's freaking huge. I'm never gonna run out, literally never, and why not, you know, like why not? I got was a pickup from Walmart. I got tissue paper. I stacked up on my tissue paper. So I have too much white tissue paper because like every time I go like to a party or something, I always end up getting white tissue paper and forget that I have so much white tissue paper at home. So we're just not going to talk about those. But I got black and blue for my logos. So if you guys don't know, I always package my orders with tissue paper or even tissue paper shreds. So it just depends on what the package is for, what type of sale is going on. Then I'll switch up the colors, but I always get tissue paper, and I get tissue paper from Walmart. Moving on to bubble mailers, I have my TKB bubble mailers. I'm so excited because I have two different types of bubble mailers. So I have my live transaction bubble mailers that I get from Walmart. Let me show y'all. So these are my live transaction bubble mailers. I get these from Walmart for $1, 10 for $1, and I just like to get these because they're less expensive, and for live transactions it means that you don't pay for shipping, and I give you your order live and in person. So I just give you this one instead of giving you this one because it's just kind of wasteful for my shipping transactions. You know, you never get to meet me in person, and so for shipping you just get like a whole shebang. I mean, everything that's in the bag, you know, down to the tissue paper is the same for both of them, but you just don't get the same kind of bubble mailer. It just lets me save money more, so I won't spend so much money because I do have more live transactions than I have shipping orders. Next thing that I got was labels. So I get my labels from Avery.com, and this is what my labels look like if you guys didn't know. So I just got these. I didn't really know which ones, like I really wanted them to be clear and transparent, but like when they're on the lip gloss it kind of looks a little too clear and transparent, so I'm going to get them differently with the black on the background so the blue can pop more on the lip gloss. Like on some of them they really do pop, but on some of them they don't, but they're still really pretty. Like I just am in love with it. I'm gonna fix that, you know, trial and error. I'm really excited that I still even got these logos because I like them more than my old logos. I wasn't a big fan of those. I get all my logos from Avery. You can even print your own logos from Avery. You can just go into the store, Walmart, you know, Staples, Office Depot, and they have Avery logo, like Avery little logo papers, and then you just click it, you just get it, and then sometimes they'll even do it at Staples or Office Depot, but you can just go on your computer, put the number in on the package, then put your logo onto the sticker, and then you can print it on your own computer. The only reason I didn't do that for my new logo was because they didn't have clear film like that, and I wanted it just transparent. So to the next thing that I just recently got, I got a sewing machine for Christmas. It was a handheld sewing machine, and if you guys don't know, this sewing machine gives me the hardest time ever. I guess it's because it's handheld, so it doesn't have like a flat surface, but literally I struggle with this every time I try. It's just like the thread unravels on me. I think I made a good scrunchie and then it unravels. I think I made a good scrunchie and then it looks horrible afterwards. I can't close the scrunchie. I just can't deal with this thing at all. So instead I bought myself a new one. Yeah, this bad boy. So this is a mini sewing machine. I just bought batteries for it today, and I'm gonna try it out tonight. I'm so excited. So yes, I got this off of Amazon. Literally came the next day, girl. Yes. And it was just like $30, and they have a lot of these for different prices. I just bought the least expensive one, but yes, it's good, and I'm finna try my scrunchies out tonight. So y'all figure out, if you guys follow me on Instagram, my personal Instagram, Nyla Symone Beauty Bar, then you'll find out if I like this sewing machine or not, because sometimes I don't know if it's just because I don't know how to sew or I'm teaching myself how to sew, but this thing better work because it will be returned. Okay, it will be returned, and I will get my money back because I don't have any games to play right now. None at all. No, nada. So I just really walked in Dollar Tree and got a lot of Valentine's Day stuff that I could put in my Valentine's Day packages. So I just got some glitter hearts, and I use this for my advertising as well. Some regular hearts, and then I got these Valentine's Day boxes to use in my advertising. Just says Happy Valentine's Day, Happy Valentine's Day. I think they're so cute. And then I also got these Valentine's Day goodie bags. I think I have an idea with these, so you might see these in your Valentine's Day package. Girl, I am telling you to do the sale. The sale is here, and it's waiting on you to do it. It's always linked below. The website's always linked down below, but the sale is not always here forever. So that's all I gotta say. Make sure y'all get y'all Valentine's Day stuff, because you never know when it might go. I got this for my Valentine's Day packaging, my shredding paper. This is gonna look so cute in the Valentine's Day packaging. To anybody who's gonna get the Valentine's Day packaging, girl, you finna be cute, okay? So I got that thing that I've been saving. I just got some new stuff, and I just am so excited about it because I literally have been waiting on this forever. But it's some new stuff. Ah, I'm so excited. This should be a coupon code. Are you freaking kidding me? As long as that stuff took, I need a coupon code. I got myself some vitamin E oil for my lip glosses. Got to get the vitamin E oil. What basically helps your lip glosses have color to them. So I got a variety of one, and I got this baby pink one because I just have a lot in store for y'all, and I'm just so ready for y'all to see it. So these are my liquid lipstick pigments. So just be ready, guys, because y'all lips is finna be popping, okay? So yes, I'm so excited for this, girl. Excited is not even a word, you feel me? Like, I'm just super excited. I'm ready for y'all to get this Valentine's Day stuff because it is just lit. Like, I'm just doing so much for it, and I just want y'all to get it because it's gonna be too lit, okay? That's all I gotta say. It's gonna be too lit, okay? That's all I gotta say. That's basically my whole inventory haul. I hope that you guys enjoyed it. This is basically how I just shop for my business. I literally am on Amazon every freaking day finding new stuff and just new ideas. I get inspired by new ideas. I just try to keep myself different, and I hope that you guys enjoy it, and I hope that you guys just, you know, find me different, and I hope that you guys find me different enough where you want to purchase something. Like I said, I sell lip glosses, vegan lip glosses. Everything that's for the skin is always vegan. I have velvet scrunchies if you want scrunchies, and I have mink lashes, 3D mink lashes, and 25mm lashes. So make sure you guys just go shop. It's always here, Nyla Symone Beauty Bar. And like I said, I'll have the Valentine's Day sale going on and the pop-out sale going on. Everything is always linked down below. Any new information on Nyla Symone Beauty Bar is always linked down below. The Instagram and the website. And looking to start your own business and you're an entrepreneur, make sure you guys go watch my other entrepreneur videos. I have multiple, and I have some soon coming. So I just hope that you guys enjoy. And yes, I am so excited about this journey that I'm on, and I just want you guys to come with me. So make sure you guys subscribe, and make sure you guys help me get to 200. If you like this video, like, comment, and subscribe. Like I always say, gotta do it. You gotta do it. You feel me? You gotta do it, boo. You got to, boo. You got to. So yes, I will talk to you guys later in my next video, and deuces, cooches.